acknowledge that we as white people have power and privilege. Give up this power and privilege to people of color and come to a healthy and functioning sense of a white racial identity. Be aware of how we rely upon racist structures for our employment, communication, property, actively recognize and break down this privilege through our everyday practices.
Wow.
Isn't that inspiring? Another one said, know the social barriers in place, be an active and vocal ally of all marginalized groups. So they said all marginalized groups. Acknowledge that there are barriers for certain people which may be based on race, and look at ways to remove those barriers in our processes and policies. Actively promote and celebrate people from different backgrounds. Change the organization, not ask the people to change for us. Actively strive to combat racism within ourselves and beyond our own boundaries.
That's amazing.
A whole list of those that I could read, but I think that gives you a sense of the courage that people have when you create a safe space.
Yeah.